Hello everyone, we are back with another project for you guys. So as always, the project will also be having all the documents and stuff. So on the GitHub page, you can see over here we have the documents folder, and it will be having all the WPRs, my name and everything will be on in there. So we have to change that, but it will be having your PPTs. With GitHub. But yeah, it will be having a synopsis and all. So just give it a second. See the synopsis, the whole synopsis is there. Then the base paper the project is based on is there. Here, this is the base paper this project is based on. Then we have the final, you can say, report of the whole project. You can say this is the whole report with over 57 something pages. So yeah, now let me show you how to set this up. And by the last video, the comments of the last video, the queries I got on Instagram and everything like that, I got to know that it's hard for you to follow the instruction when I am like giving you a little bit different instructions in the video, and a little bit different instructions are written in here in the readme of the GitHub. So let me show you something. In this video, what we will do is basically we will use the readme of the GitHub to actually run the project. So let's start with the project. We'll simply go to the get started over here. Now we need to download the whole project. Over here I have already downloaded it. So this is the verification, the whole project is there. Then we have the prerequisites. We have the node version that is 16.20.0. So we will just do that. I'm using a tool called NVM for Windows, and you can use that as well. It's a pretty neat tool when you want to work on different versions of Node. So install, and it is 16.1.0, right? 0, and we just install the node. Just give it a second. And yeah, it will install both Node and NPM for you. Okay. So then afterwards, we will just use npm use 16.20.0, enter. We are using that. We can also verify that by object-b with only node. Yeah, we have verified that as well. So we are using 16.20.0, right? So this is the same version as this one. And Python, I have installed the same Python version. Um, double dash, I think. Yeah, 3.9 something, and we just need 3.9 million load. Right? So yeah, usually I don't check the versions of these things often, so that's why. Just yes, TLS, not a Linux system, it's Windows. Yeah, so we basically have our Node and Python ready. So we'll just go ahead and install Truffle. Let's copy it from here, paste it over there, enter, and oh wait, we almost so we basically want to like install all the node modules over here. We don't want them like going everywhere and all. So we'll just click over here, type in cmd over here, and here we have the command prompt. Now we can run this command. Okay, npm install -g truffle, -g for global install. Hit enter. It will just take some time. So I will be back once this is done. Okay. Okay, so it is done. I may have moved the windows a little bit over here and there. So yeah, the Toggle installation is done, and similarly we will just install Ganache. So that is also an issue in the previous video. The GUI version of Ganache was a little bit difficult for people to handle. So I have shifted to Ganache CLI. So it's just an npm package, and you can install it using npm, and it will work just as good. So over here in the command prompt, we'll just paste this, hit install, hit enter, and again I will be back once the installation is done. Oh, it's done, and didn't even need to go. Okay, okay. So the installation is done. We will just clear this, and now we need to do the Python packages. We need to install the Python packages. So for that, I will first create a virtual environment. For that, I will do a pip install of virtual env. Hit enter. The virtual env will be installed. Let's give it a second. Yeah, the virtual env is installed. So we will just create a virtual environment. We'll just create a virtual environment using this command python -n when. So first one when we are using the module when, and the second when is basically we are making the folder name as when. So if we go over here, see the when is there, right? This is the whole thing that we can use, right? So now to use this, we will simply do slash need to go in when slash scripts slash create dot act. Okay, I guess this one should be it. Yeah. So now we have activated our virtual environment, right? The reason behind doing this is basically the packages that will be installed should be installed in this particular folder only. So if I just delete this whole folder, the all the packages will be deleted, right? So my other projects don't interfere with the versions and all of this project. So we'll just simply copy this, paste it over here, hit enter, and to install everything. So we will be back once the installation is done. Okay. Okay, so this was all installed. I have cleared it. And now what we need to do is we need to make two accounts, two different services. First one is Firebase console. So you can just click on over here and you will move on to over here. And you can just download it. Oh, sorry, log in over here. See, I'm logged in over here and I will just create a project. And I'll just name it ticket. Okay, I accept. Okay, continue. I don't go analytics. Okay, create project. We need to create a .env file over here. Okay, so if you see, these are the things we need to get. Then we need to set up a Pinata account and need to get Pinata APIs and all. Then finally we have to create a .env file, right? So let's just do that in the meantime. So over here we'll just create a .env file. Just go to new text. Just type .env. Shit, my keyboard isn't working fine, I guess. env. Yes. So now we have our env file. We can just simply open it with our VS Code only. And here we have the env file, right? So our project should be created. Yes, yes, our project has been created. Now let's see what we need to get from this. Firebase API key or domain, database URL, project ID, storage bucket, missing sender ID, Firebase app ID. Okay. Okay, let's just get everything from here and we'll create a env file right now only. So just paste everything over here like okay. Yeah, finally. uh We'll paste everything over here. So this is another Firebase API key, right? First of all, we want a Firebase API key. So let's just see how we can get an API key over here. Um. Okay. Yeah, we don't want that. I guess in the settings we will be having an API key. Remember API key environment. Um. Okay. We just want an API key. Okay. We want a API key, right? So it should be somewhere over here. The API key thing is mentioned over here. Okay, so I guess we need to make something in here first. Okay, so we'll just go with the Okay, we just need to restart an app. Oh yeah, so just the thing is I have been doing it for a quite long time. So yeah, that's the main issue. Okay, so yeah, we have the API key. Let's put everything like that over here. We have the API key. Put it over here. We have the auth domain. Copy and put it over here. We have the project ID. Let's copy and put it over here. We have the storage bucket. We need a storage bucket. Yeah, we need a storage bucket. So just copy and put it in the storage bucket. Sender ID. We'll just copy this. Put it in the sender ID. Right, and we will just copy this last app ID one. And there, this app ID we'll copy it over here. Okay, so the Firebase thing is done. Next. Next. Ready to console. So the app is ready. And here we got the one app. Settings. And here's the app, right? The app is ready and there should be an authentication thing. So we will just leave that for now and move on to the next step. We have all these things done, ready to go. Right, so we need to create a Pinata account and all that. So we'll just go to Pinata. I already have my account set up over here. It's just when you go to Pinata, just create a new account and stuff like that. You can just go to API keys and we just request a new key. Create admin access. Right, key name we can do verificate. Oh, everything is over here. But the things API key and API secret we don't, right? So API key is this. And just paste it over here. And our API secret is this. We'll just paste it over here. And we are basically ready to go. We have our env file ready, right? We have our env file ready, just like this. Everything is ready, right? Sorry, that was my alarm. I really need to go right now. So I'll just wind up this video real quick. It's almost like 15 minutes already. So let's just do that real quick, okay? So once our env file is ready, the environment file is ready, we'll just run the ganache. Now the thing is, we need to do this in two tabs. So first one for ganache, and the second one will be for your that running the project. So we'll open another terminal over here. In this terminal, we will paste this. We will yeah, we can just do that. We'll run ganache, and the ganache is running, right? So we'll come back to over here, right? Or just give me a second. Okay, so I'm back. Sorry for all the disturbance. It's just oh. Okay. So we have turned up our ganache. The ganache is running. Now we need to do a truffle migrate. So we'll just copy and paste and enter. We'll just wait, compiling the documents, compiling the contract, sorry. Everything is ready. Let's just do it a little bit. It will take some time. Okay. So okay, let me be back once it's done. Right. Okay, so the truffle migrate is done. You can see the summary, the total deployment, and all the thing, and it should also reflect in over here. Yeah, in the ganache, you can actually see all the that contacts that have been migrated to the ganache, right? It's seeing all the time and everything like that, right? Image the ganache, and we will do a clear over here. So oh, let's see. So we'll do a CLS over here. Okay, so we are almost done with the whole project. We just want to actually run the project now. The setup is complete. We'll just go to cd applications and run the streamlit.py application like that. And once it's complete running, it should be yeah, just enter. We don't want to receive an application. Allow the internet access. And here, this is the website. I know the UI isn't good. I know it's very basic, but yeah, as I told you in the previous video, my UI skills isn't that great, so you have to bear with it. Okay, so let me just show you around the website. You can just go over here. For now, there will be nothing over here, but once you, let's say, go to the institute, right? It will be asking you for an institute login, but from here you can go to the home, right? Our institute login, right? Over here. This is our institute email ID. You can change it to whatever you want. And this is our password. The hard-coded ID and password. And we'll just do a login. We'll not save it. And here we can generate certificate, or here we can view certificates, right? So let's generate a certificate. So UID, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the UID. Name will be degree. Name will be, let's say, Yogesh. My name is Yogesh. So my E key is not working at the fine. Okay. First name, Ben Nabitech. And then our name will say XYZ. And submit. Yeah, certificate ID. This is our certificate ID. We have got our certificate. Now we can do Control C. Just copy it like that. Now we can view certificate just by pasting that ID over here. Here, this is our certificate, right? A very basic certificate, nothing much to it. But yeah, this is our certificate we have just generated. All of the information and everything is here. You can download it from here only. Now, if I go to, if I just log out, and I'm a verifier now, right? So we have to, register ourselves, but we don't have our email address or password right now, so we will be registering ourselves. So we'll just take email us abc abc.com doesn't matter. There's nothing like verification or something like that. Keyboard and change the keyboard. Password will be 1234. That's it. Okay. Register. Station unsuccessful. Why that is? Um. See over here. We are gonna get all the things. So this is the main authentication thing where the authentication is actually happening. I have no idea why the hell I'm not able to register myself. Um, authentication started. Oh, okay. I didn't got the. I didn't set up the authentication correctly. You don't have to do the web thing like that. You have to set up an authentication. Okay, so just like that. Email and password authentication. Yes, save. Yeah, now it is enabled. Okay, so on our project, the authentication is enabled now. So we can just go back over here. Better register now. Still saying registration unsuccessful or no idea. Okay, we'll just do password 234 register. Still unsuccessful. Why that is? Okay. I think that will be changed. I think so. Okay. Oh, there should be that thing over here. That's interesting. I'm not able to get this authentication using my API keys and all, right? This is something different. What the fuck is happening right now? Okay. Yes. My authentication is still there. Ah, okay. I didn't need to build an app. I just needed to do this now. We have the web API and everything over here right now. Okay, we'll just delete the app. And we have the API key right now with us, right? So what are the all the parameters we require? See, it's Firebase API key. We have the API key. It's basically the same. Firebase auth domain. We don't have any auth domain, right? Yeah, we don't have any. This is the auth domain we can go with, right? Oh, sorry, this video is getting way too long. Okay, let me just go and figure this out real quick. And I'll be back, okay? Okay, so this is a little confusing, but yeah, I'm doing this again. We actually need to create the app. So Yeah, just doing it again. I guess all the things should be the same. Pick is same. AE506, AE506 dot firebase.com it is. Yeah, it is firebase.com. AppSpot AE506 207 right, P822 right. It's basically the same. I need to install these, I guess. I think so. Okay. Why? Okay. I should just have like seen the terminal from the start. So it should be at least 6 characters, right? Okay. Let's go to authentication and over here and register. Register successful. Yeah, see? What is this? Where is it? I did initialize it. Everything is working here. I guess we will be able to log in. Okay, let me just refresh this. Where the heck did summit window? It was right here, right? Yeah, it is here. Oh, yeah, so it's a little bit buggy and all. It was an old project. I just wanted to show you guys. So yeah, you have to bear with it. Okay, we have the file over here. If I'm using peer or certificate ID, we have the certificate ID. Here it is. We can validate it, and you can also put in the file and everything to validate it. Okay, so this was it for the video. I know the video is pretty long, but thank you. Again, thank you.